Hello. Um, my name is Garrett, and this video is going to be a new video series titled Close Poems with Garrett. Not only are these poems close to my heart because I wrote them, but the camera is also extremely close to my face. Um, for my first poem, I will be reading. I wrote this a while ago. It's called Monster High School Halloween Prom, and it is about a Halloween prom at a monster high school. And it goes like this. When I was a young boy in school, I had a big crush on a ghoul. She was so ugly and green, vicious and mean, and even sometimes would drool. The school was the most popular miss. Every boy at the school she seemed to kiss. Mummies, werewolves, zombies, and trolls, and even some dude named Chris. I wanted to ask her to the dance, hoping she would give me just a chance. I walked right up, gave a flirting, "What's up?" But she didn't even give me a glance. Well, that went really well. Actually, just went to hell. I thought, so mean. Was it my smile to gleam? Or maybe it was my smell. Walking through the halls alone, sad and scrolling my phone. Love I'll never find, as if everyone was blind. Why does it seem I'm never shown? I know why, someone said with a boast. Came down the hall, a girl raising a toast. Here's to the rejected, the unseen and neglected. You and I are but ghosts. A what? I said. A ghost, she said. Like a spirit from the dead? Precisely, you're right. Hidden from sight. Let's go to the dance instead. So happy I had a date. Dressed up, we went to the gate. Snuck past the crowd, light as a cloud. First ones in, even though we were late. It was such a fun weekend. Later, she became my girlfriend. We dated, got married, had kids who we buried. And that's my story. The end. Thanks for joining me on this poem adventure. My camera battery is about to die, and maybe we'll do another close poem with Garrett. Thanks. Okay, bye.